YouTube. Alright, so we got 4 rooms today, but 2 of them are over 200 square feet, so we're doing 6 rooms total. Master bedroom here with a walk-in closet, so I charge additional $15 more for a walk-in closet. We got another room here, and we got a closet in here. Carpet don't look that bad, but she said the cat has a peeking up, so we'll get that tightened up. And as you can see, the stains are more visible here from the cat throwing up. So, hey, so I guess this is a yoga room. Look at this, it's pretty nice. And look at all the positivity on the wall. So, y'all stay tuned. Get ready to get started. Alright, so we got done with the rooms, and I'm about to do a walkthrough to show you the rest. This here. Way better. It smells good too. Everything looks good, smells good. Everything looks and smells good. That's what we like here. Y'all be sure to y'all be sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.